The vaccination process will be conducted across the state of West Bengal, and amidst that there are several process and preparations that have been done. I'm here at SSKM hospital where from sanitizers to temperature check to a complete process of social distancing is being followed. There are registration counters for COVID vaccine that have been made, and there is a registration slip that would be given. Remember, there are 210 centers across the state of West Bengal where 100 people will be given vaccine every day. Now this is just the beginning of the process and maintaining and also ensuring that everything is followed in letter and spirit. Also, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee would be inaugurating and would be speaking to the medical professionals and essentials frontline workers around the afternoon. And of course, this being a political year, a year of election, has a lot more to say. The government of West Bengal has announced that the entire vaccination process will be conducted free of cost across the state. Remember, 90,000 or rather more than that vaccines have been kept only for Kolkata, for all those who've been a part of the entire COVID-19 turmoil and of course the pandemic and have worked on the ground. This not just being an important day, a month, but also an extremely important year. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Kolkata for India Today. Give us an idea on how big this day is, how excited are you as a part of the government machinery today?
It's a big day because today the first day, the vaccine is being administered to the health workers here. And we as part of the administration are excited and want to make sure that it goes smoothly as per the plan. And, we would like to thank our health workers who have been fighting with us and serving the people for, all the last 1 year. And I'm sure that today is the ray of light, ray of hope to bring back the entire country to the normalcy.
Are you taking the vaccine yourself?
No, actually, this round is only for the health workers. I'm as a municipal commissioner, my name is in the second round. So we want our doctors, our nurses, our paramedics who are directly in contact with the patients, they get the first priority. Since I do not come directly in contact with the patients, so I do not qualify for that. But that's not the point. The point is that, those who need to get it first are getting it first.
How big a day is it for you, and of course the entire excitement that 2021 is here?
It's quite a big day. It's quite a big day.
Thank you so much.